Welcome to JH. If you are seeing an error message stating that you failed to accept a family invitation while joining a Steam family group, start by logging into your friend's Steam account on your own PC or the device you are both using. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Steam settings menu and select the Family tab. From there, they should choose the Manage Family option and send an invitation directly to your Steam profile. It is vital to remember that both accounts must be connected to the same local network or Wi-Fi. Steam verifies this to confirm you are part of the same household, so attempting this remotely will likely result in failure. After the invitation is sent, sign out of your friend's account and log back into your own. Return to the Family section within Steam settings, where the pending invite should be visible for you to accept. If issues persist, try the setup in person. Have your friend visit and log into their account on your computer while connected to your home Wi-Fi. Send the invite, then switch back to your account to finalize the process. Just keep in mind that only one user can access the shared game library at any given time.